Are you looking for Blackstone Griddle recipes? Then you've come to the right place. I have over 120 Blackstone recipes, all in one place. So stay tuned. I'm Chef Sherry, and I have a food blog called FromMichiganToTheTable.com. I have all kinds of Blackstone Griddle recipes for you. You can get baking recipes, you can get chicken recipes, you can get side Blackstone Griddle recipes, breakfast recipes, all sorts of recipes. I have over 120 that I've compiled into one post for you to enjoy. And you can get fettuccine alfredo, a fettuccine alfredo sauce on the Blackstone Griddle that I create right here on this griddle. I can show you how to do it. Butter chicken and butter steak, egg patties on the Blackstone Griddle, assortment of griddle sandwiches. I have all kinds of griddle sandwiches that I've created. One, the pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich for you. I also have fried rice, different kinds. I have the chicken fried rice and just the regular side dish fried rice for you. Blackstone Griddle chicken stir fry, Hasselback potatoes on the Blackstone. Yes, you can create those beautiful Hasselback potatoes right on this Blackstone. Kebabs, I have a couple different kebab recipes for you to try. Griddle omelettes. I have a ham and cheese and mushroom griddle omelet for you to try. An assortment of pancakes that I've created, the recipes for you on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle pizza. Right here on this flat top griddle, you can create a gorgeous griddle pizza with my step-by-step instructions. I provided a link for you in the description box below to get more Blackstone Griddle recipes. Make sure you subscribe to my page, like this video, share it with your friends, and go to my website FromMichiganToTheTable.com and get tons of Blackstone Griddle recipes, as well as smoker recipes, wild game recipes, and Midwestern cuisine recipes. Thank you for coming. Bye.